In this video, I'll explain what happens to the body from the moment a person dies through each stage after death. Stage 1. Body cooling right after death. Body temperature begins to fall because blood circulation stops. On average, the body cools by about 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.83 grados, per hour until it reaches room temperature. Stage 2. Pallor mortis, skin pale. The first visible change appears 15 to 20 minutes. After death, a pale appearance of the skin, known as pallor mortis. Capillaries under the skin normally give us a healthy glow, especially when we blush. When the heart stops, blood can't reach the skin, causing it to lose color. This happens to everyone, though it's less obvious in darker skin tones. Stage 3. Rigor mortis, muscle stiffness around 2 hours after death. Rigor mortis begins the stiffening of muscles. Initially, the body is soft and limp, but as calcium builds up in the muscles, they start to tense. It begins in the eyelids, jaw, and neck, then moves through the chest, abdomen, legs, and ends at the toes. When alive, the proteins actin and myosin cause muscles to contract. They lock together until ATP, a molecule made using oxygen, causes them to release. After death, oxygen runs out, ATP production stops, and the muscles remain contracted. Rigor mortis begins 2 to 6 hours after death, peaks at 12 hours, and can last 24 to 84 hours. Doctors use body stiffness and temperature together to estimate time of death. This stage ends not because muscles relax, but because of autolysis. When the body's own enzymes break down muscle tissue. Stage 4. Livor mortis, blood settling. Livor mortis is the discoloration caused by gravity pulling blood to the lowest parts of the body. The underside darkens while the upper side becomes pale. It starts about 3 hours after death and becomes fixed at 12 hours. Doctors press on these areas to estimate time of death. If the color fades and returns, death likely occurred within 12 hours. If the color doesn't change, death was likely over 12 hours ago. It also shows if the body was moved. For example, if someone is found face down but has livor mortis on their back, they likely died on their back and were flipped more than 12 hours later. Stage 5. Putrefaction, bacterial breakdown. Our bodies contain about as many bacteria as human cells. Many live in the large intestine, helping digest food. While alive, the immune system controls these bacteria. After death, that system stops, and bacteria begin breaking down tissues, a process called putrefaction. As they feed, they release gases like methane and ammonia, causing the abdomen to bloat at a temperature of 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. The timeline is: internal organs decompose in 24 to 72 hours. Visible bloating occurs in 3 to 5 days. Soft tissues break down within 4 months, leaving behind the skeleton. These post-mortem changes happen in predictable stages and help forensic experts estimate time of death. They also offer insight into the incredible biological processes that continue long after life has ended.